Hi and welcome to Oh Sarah, So Sarah. I'm Sarah and today I'm going to show you how to make your own pillowcase. Let's get started. I have a pillowcase that I like just to use it for size, and I have some linen fabric, and I have the linen fabric folded right sides together. I am putting the fold of my pillowcase against the edge of the linen fabric. And I'm simply going to cut a 1/2 inch from the edge of the pillowcase. And I'm going to cut a 1/2 inch from this edge as well. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put some pins, and since we already have our right sides together, we're going to put our pins. Make sure when you're pinning you put the ball of the pin away from the fabric. That way when you're stitching, it's easy to take your pins out before you stitch over them. Let's get to the sewing machine. And this is our straight seam. So you have the choice. If you have a serger, you can serge your seams or you can zigzag it. I will do one of each. This is a seam finished with the zigzag stitch. As you can see, the serger finishes the seam and it neatly trims the edges. Okay, so next we're going to make our hem. Okay, we pressed it under, and then we're turning it under again, and I'm going to measure 1 inch. We're going to make a 1 inch hem, then I'm going to press this all the way around, and I'll see you at the sewing machine. Okay, so we're going to stitch close to the edge of our folded edge, and we're going to hem our pillowcase. And making this hem is like any other hem that you would do. We turned it under once and we're turning it under again. Here's our 100% flax linen pillowcase completely done in about less than 30 minutes. You can do it too. I'm Sarah, and thanks for watching Oh Sarah, So Sarah. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.